A warning in advance, this video will have bright flashing lights, so proceed at your own risk. Today we're going to take a look at this funky looking little device. This is the Planet 9, a smart mood lamp by the company Divoom, who was kind enough to send us this unit for review. After opening up the very nice packaging, we're immediately greeted with the Planet 9 lamp. I got the green one, but it also comes in pink and red. Aside from the main product, there is a USB to Type-C cable and a user manual. The lamp itself can be used wirelessly, but you can charge it via the included cord. The Planet 9 lamp is a small and lightweight enough that I can easily hold it with just one hand. The design of the lamp is very straightforward and has a simple, retro style that I love. To turn it on, hold down the big silver dial on the top. We are immediately greeted with this green and yellow gradient light, but you can easily change the color by spinning the dial so it switches to any of the other preset shades. On the back of the lamp, there is a button in the middle that is used to turn it on the mood light mode, which are these fun effects for the light. Of course, that's just the start of what this lamp can do. To take advantage of the full smart functionality, make sure to download the Divoom app. You will need to get registered in order to use it. After registration, setting up and playing with the lamp is super easy. One of the fun things with the Planet 9 is that you can customize the colors and the effects that are shown on the lamp. You can choose to customize from these 28 dots. These are probably the location where each light bulb is located. Depending on the color choices, you can end up with subtle effects, or you can create something completely psychedelic. Effect is also customizable, and it may change the way the color shows up on the lamp. After you feel satisfied with your creation, you can save it and go back to whenever you want. Aside from just being a lamp, you can also create simple tunes to go along with the light. Now, I'm not a music producer or anything, so I can't create bops myself, but this app comes with pre-recorded beats that I can use to create disco ball effect on the lamp as it flashes in the time with the music. To be honest, I don't see a huge need for this mode myself, but it will keep kids entertained and busy. A more useful function is the alarm. Like most digital alarms, you can set the reoccurring days and time, but beyond that, you can see your preferred wake-up light color. If you need more than just a light to get yourself out of the bed in the morning, you can turn on the audio alert as well. You can also set a light for when you go to sleep as well. The light should automatically turn off after a designated time has passed, so you can naturally fall into deep sleep at night. There is a noise meter that captures the surrounding noises and displays it through the light, and there is a timer function as well. There's so much you can do with the Planet 9 that it feels a little undeserving to just call it a lamp. Thanks for sticking around till the end. You can find a link for the Planet 9 in the description box of this video. See you guys next time. Bye!